This Riverside, California home has everything you want and more. You will love the open floor plan this house for sale has to offer and what sets this property apart from all the rest. This one-story home measures 1,181 square feet and sits on a lot size of 7,841 square feet. This house has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a spacious backyard. It was built in 1983 and includes central heating and air conditioning with a 2-car garage. The living room has a coat closet, high vaulted ceilings, a cozy fireplace, and large windows with blinds to bring the light in. The kitchen and dining area features wood cabinets, gas oven with stove, dishwasher, and white tiled countertops. It also has high vaulted ceilings, plenty of cabinets for extra storage, and a ceiling fan. The sliding glass door gives a great view to the backyard and allows easy access while entertaining your guests for summer barbecues and parties. The master bedroom has 2 closets, vaulted ceilings, window blinds, and an attached ensuite master bathroom. The master bathroom has a sink, shower, and a toilet area. Bedroom 2 features high ceilings, a closet, and a view to the backyard. The full guest bathroom has storage cabinets and a shower in the bathtub. Bedroom 3 has vaulted ceilings, a closet, and a view of the backyard. The backyard has a grassy area, a raised flower planter, and a very large covered patio that is ready for you to sit, relax, and enjoy our wonderful Southern California weather. This Riverside home truly is an entertainer's delight and is move-in ready. All this and conveniently located minutes from schools, shopping, parks, and freeways. If you are looking for houses in California for sale, look no further. Let's make this house your home.